Hello, today I'll be talking about timeless categories. So basically, um, everything is basically just a social construct in a way, and I want to talk about how mathematics is the only certain timeless category that we can really know of because it's universal throughout all cultures. But let's say visually, body language, and happiness, sadness are all just social constructs. Because if you look at someone smiling, that doesn't automatically mean happiness. It could be a universal sign of happiness, but it doesn't have to be. They could honestly just be like sad or worried or bored. But if you just define it as happiness, then um, you're incorrect because it's a category that we make, and that's kind of how AI works. Categories. Um, what the hell? So how AI works is basically they take a database of all photos, not all photos, but a lot of photos, thousands and thousands and thousands of photos, and there's ghost workers who just nitpick and categorizes. So AI will always have human bias in it. So um, numbers are not just symbolic constructs, and I wrote a couple things down, and like mathematics, knowledge, science are never non-contextuals or ahistorical. Let's see if you have two of some object, let's say a hat and a water bottle. These are two items. In any culture, if I ask you how many things there are, it'll be one and two. So I don't really understand how some people consider the um, like love a universal category. When you just see two people next to each other, a photo, you instantly think that they're together. But um, honestly, mathematics is the only concrete categorical truth, in my opinion. I'm not trying to be edgy in any way. Not saying that everything is fake. No, I believe in happiness and love and sadness. But if you think about it on a universal scale, let's say we meet some aliens far away. If you smile at them, they could categorize it as a threat, like showing your teeth to an animal. You don't know if it's truly universal, but if you show them two objects and somehow translate to them how many objects there are, or in their brain, they'll know that there's two, whether it be in their language or something, or in their symbols or something. They'll know the concept of there being two things, and they might not even have the concept of marriage or love. Maybe they just touch fingers if they have them and they just duplicate, or maybe they don't and they're immortal. Who knows? But the concept of math is very important, and I hate math.